Ano ang pananaw mo na nangangamoy daw na si Senator Chis Escudero ang magiging presiding officer? Ikaw ba ay may tiwala pa sa kanya?
Well, he should exercise delicadeza and reject or decline the offer to be the impeachment presiding officer. Because again, may question nga sa kanyang credibility in terms of last year implementing forthwith. Of course, sinasabi niya tama daw siya sa forthwith.
Supreme Court din mo
Na-vindicate daw siya ng Supreme Court. But that's very debatable. Madami pa ding legal luminaries outside of me, not me po who are former Supreme Court justices, former constitutional framers who say mali yung pag-implement
At
niya ng
mismo yung nagsulat ng provision na yun, sinasabi niya.
Correct. Yung nagsulat mismo ng provision at sinabi niya gusto niya agad-agad. Contrary to the Supreme Court justices of now, no? With all due respect to them, because this is a framer of the Constitution, kontra. Agad-agad dapat ang forthwith. So, delikadesa dapat kay Senator Chis. Tsaka para patunayan din niya, kasi baka sabihin, lumipat lang siya sa Win Gatchalian block para maging presiding officer. Maging normal member lang siya. Kasi yun ang magiging impression sa kanya. So, he should exercise delicadeza and say, okay, there are many people questioning my track record, and so I'll just participate as a senator judge.